All right, hey guys, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We are in beautiful Sanford. We have a nice home, an excellent value, huge, over 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms plus a huge bonus area. Right in a great location here. Willow Tree Cafe is down the street. Orlando Sanford International Airport is like a mile away. Gotta come check it out. Let's go. Okay, so right when we enter the home, we have the stairs leading up to all the bedrooms. We have, again, 4 bedrooms with a huge bonus area that takes over actually this entire area, but upstairs. So it's like a double house. We have this massive living room, which doubles as a entryway foyer. And then we have 2 entrances to the kitchen and family room with a half bathroom in the garage here. So let's go check it out. All right, so on the left is the massive family room, which opens up and is very bright with the backyard, but it also flows nicely into the nook right in the center here, as well as the ginormous kitchen with plenty of counter space, some newer appliances, and again, it all opens up to this beautiful, lush backyard, which we're gonna go check out right now. So when we step into the back patio area, we see the lush backyard with the banana trees, the fruit trees, all the vegetation here, which makes it very private. You have a nice newer fence surrounding the property, as well as the shed, which stays, it's included, and very good. You have room for a pool if you'd like, but you gotta come check it out. It's a great location, again, right here near the heart of Sanford. Sanford Airport's right down the street. Good schools in the area, great values, less than $90 a square foot here, which is just insane, even in today's market, right? So, TopOrlandoHomes.com, Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. My number's on the screen. Call me, beat me when you want to reach me. Let's do it.